Okay, right now you're looking at a wall picture. I'll take you for a quick virtual tour of Reeds Beach, New Jersey. Here we are in the master room. It seemed to sustain little damage. All right. Okay, then we're swinging around into the main bath. Here, maybe we'll get an indication of how things just ended up where they did. You just can't believe it, a lot of it. But whatever. Here we have the what was the kitchen. This is all compliments of Sandy. And there's a little more here. Now we'll go into the have to be careful where I'm walking here, but this would be the window in the kitchen. We have a little bit of an open breeze coming through, some water. You get to see. And as I swing around, here's our kitchen entrance. There's Fred's house. And as you can see, the deck is gone. So this is once where we all hung out. Give you another shot from over here. And Debbie's house looks pretty good. Maybe we could rent that. The water's pretty rough today. And we come back in. I don't want to go too fast. Give you a quick view of this nice cabinet that we have had. Devastating here. Ginger, this is what you missed. 5 months. This is it. 5 months ago. Okay, now we're coming into the living room. You can see any bit of that. There's our living room door. A nice view of the bay from the floor. Whew. Telling you, it is cold today. And pretty much everything is gone. But that's okay. Must be high tide coming in. It's amazing. Nature. Let me see if I can get over a little bit closer. I don't want to go down the water, but there's another lost wall on Kathy and Don's side of the house. And living room floor. So, that's what we got. And there's our ceilings. Oh, there's our attic exposed. That's interesting. I think I see the Christmas tree box up there. Very interesting. Amazing. And I want to just get over to show Mama. Here comes Harry. What?
Bob's telephone
There's my mom's room. Mama, get a load of this. Whew. The beds are still made. Purple bedspreads are intact. Oh boy. This is tough. But hey. It's only a house, right? And here's a view of the ceiling. Ooh, is it cold? Okay. All right. Well, that's pretty much the end of the show. So, kick off your shoes, and we'll be back.